So we're finally getting a bit of rain, very welcome after about 90 days of drought here. But we've done quite a lot of hand watering, so we're okay. Harvests are still looking pretty good, but not much gardening going on really. Lots of seed sowing, nothing really to show there. And yeah, just lots and lots of harvesting. So I'm afraid we're stuck with another harvest video for this week. And I know we've had harvest videos for quite a few weeks now, but I think it is quite nice for people just to see that even though we are primarily winter growers here, autumn, winter and spring growers, we do grow a reasonable amount of stuff over summer, but a huge amount of our ground at the moment is just now replanted for winter. So we've only got a small amount of summer planting, but it's still yielding enough, you know, still plenty for all of us and the family. And yeah, just let's take a look. So just on a quick dash around the garden and the allotment just before the rain starts and in between showers. Mainly just harvest for friends and family. We won't pick a lot of our stuff until the weather improves on Monday, but there's just enough here to see us through. So we've got some really nice polytunnel tomatoes, outdoor tomatoes, polytunnel and conservatory cucumbers. These are the little ones, these are the big ones, golden purslane, pickling onions, beetroot, winter squash, peas, all sorts of different types of beans, mixed courgettes, you can tell it's been raining, carrots from the garden. These are golden California wonder, all the red ones we've used up in ketchups and the like this week. Onions from the store, mixed brassica leaves, these are curly kale, some eggs there to take those off. I don't think people really appreciate eggs in their salad mix, in their veg mix. Pentland brig. And what's this one? Oh, Symantec and scarlet red curly kales. Just a few potatoes from the store. And just a few lettuces that I managed to pick before the rain really came down. Super heavy. So I've missed loads of things. We've got leeks and celery and all sorts of other stuff that I didn't get around to picking, and spring onions and things like that. But anyway, this will see us through for a rainy day harvest. So if you want to see the preserves that Debbie has produced this week, then you can look in the description of the video and there's a link to this little database. And so she's made pickled onions, tomato ketchup and pepper and chili ketchup. So you can see we've had a lot of peppers and tomatoes to process. And if you want the recipes for any of these things, then you can just tap or click on these. And we've got the ingredients, a photograph of the recipe that we used, and also a photograph of the book that we got the recipe from. So please buy the book. So I hope you like this quick harvest video. My name's Steve, this is the Seaside Kitchen Garden and Allotment channel, and I'll see you soon.